What's up, everybody? So today in this video, what you're going to be learning are the 3 tools that I could not see people getting to 10K per month without. Now I know some people might be getting there just by jockeying around with their systems. Many people get to 10K per month without many systems, but if you want to get there fast and efficiently in like maybe even 30 days or less, then these are the 3 systems that I would start using from day one. So if you haven't met me before, my name is Bengreen. I'm the owner of Optimizeis, and what we do is we help business owners scale their business with optimizing their back-end systems. So that's building out systems in Airtable, building out systems in Asana, building out systems in Slack. Those are some of the ways we do it, but we get you from where you are. Maybe you're stuck if you have a lot of sales calls, but you can't match the back-end, or if you need to optimize some of your sales process with some tools, some technology, then this is some of the stuff we help you out with. So without further ado, we're going to jump right in the video now. But if you do need help, there's a link down in the description to request a consultation from me, someone on my team, to get in touch. So here is these are the 3 tools. Now I hid them. I would consider these like the 3 C's of your business. The first one is communication. The second one is calls. And then the third one is clients or customers. So those are like the 3 big categories, because communication, that's something that is essential in any business. Specifically, this is for service-based businesses. I haven't really dealt with as many product-based businesses. So this is what I'm gearing this towards, is service-based businesses where you're jumping on sales calls, you're probably offering something high ticket, and these are the 3 tools that you'll need. So this first one over here is for communication. Now this is what's called Slack. So Slack is a fantastic tool to streamline all of your communication. When I first started, I was throwing each client into their own private Slack channel. They would get like direct access to me, direct access to my developer, so that we could build them the systems that they needed. Slack is a fantastic tool if you're either using it in that manner, or if you have a group coaching offer. If you can throw everybody into these different categories, then Slack is a great tool to streamline all your communication. Now, communication, I consider communication, like in this example, to be internal. For anyone external, the easiest way to keep communication streamlined is to use Gmail, but I don't consider that a tool. I think everybody uses email in one way or another. But to streamline all of your team and client communication, I would use Slack. The second one is calls. So one of my biggest pet peeves is trying to find a time to meet with somebody. If we are both on the same page, we want to meet with somebody, then I don't want to have to go through 5 emails or 5 back and forth. Hey, does this time work with you? Nah, man, I got this during that time. Let's go to the next day. What times work for you that day? The easiest way to get around that is to use a scheduling software. So the one of my preference is Calendly, and this will allow you to easily book sales calls, book client calls. It really, for someone to just be able to, if they're already warmed up, they already know you, they like you, they trust you, they want to get in touch with you, see how you can work together, see if they're a good fit, then you can just put a Calendly widget on your website and they can go book a call with you. On the flip side, if you already have clients, maybe you have like 1 call a week, or like they can request calls, you can just send them a booking link and they can find a time that works best for them. These calendar softwares, they'll cross-reference your Google Drive or your Google Calendar or whichever calendar you link up with it, and it'll only show the times that you're available. So you'll never get double booked anymore, and people will be able to book their own calls. Also, if it's set up right, then it can add a Zoom link in there. And you can also, if it's, for example, a sales call, you can have it automatically added to your CRM. So the CRM clients, that's the next thing. So the next big bucket is clients. So client management, this could be really, I see it as 2 things, but this tool can be used for a lot more. But managing clients, if you think about your whole client journey, there's a lot of people get hung up on prospects versus clients. Like once they pay, then they're in my CMS. But there's really 2 processes if you want to split it up. There's the client relationship manager, which I see people, they're talking about like the sales cycle usually there. And then there's the CMS, which is the client management system. So I think each business needs to have 2 there, and I found the easiest way to do that is use a tool called Airtable. If you can optimize your whole sales cycle, so your CRM in Airtable, then you can optimize your whole CMS in Airtable, so you can track the progress of your clients, you can track everything going on with them, then you're going to have a good time. You're going to have everything in one place. There's going to be a ton of other benefits if you use Airtable right in coordination with these two other tools, with your team communication, with your client communication, to book calls, to see how many calls people have booked. All of that can happen very easily in Airtable. So these are the top 3 tools, and these are generically the top 3 system. I call them 3 C's, so communication, calls, and clients. I think if you can get these down and use them efficiently, I'm sure there might be something else if you want to go a little bit further, like using Zapier in here, but if you can just use these 3 tools efficiently, then you're going to scale to 10K pretty fast, assuming that you can get as many sales calls as you need to scale your offer there, depending on if you know your numbers, if you know your cost per call, your conversion rate on the call, on your website, all of that, then you'll be able to get there. So if you need any help with any of these systems, again, there's always a link down in the description to any of my videos to book a call with me or someone on my team to see if we're a good fit to work together, to see if we can help you build out some of these systems or learn how to start building out some of these systems for other people. So without further ado, hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next one. And actually, I just remembered, there's a video that if you enjoyed this video, you'll probably enjoy that one. The video is all about automations. So what can you automate in your business to also get to 10K per month? So in that video, I give you 10 different automations that will help you scale from 0 to 10K per month. It'll help you sign more clients. It'll help you have a more streamlined process on the back end to fulfill your clients' orders and all of that. So if you want to go check out that video, it's in the end screen right here, in the middle of this screen right here, and you can go check that out and learn those 10 automations that will get you to 10K per month. So hope you have a great day, and without further ado, I'll see you in the next one.